Welcome to ClubExpress. Today, we'll go over how to set up registration and fees for your event. To begin, go to the Events module, open your event, and select Registration and Fees. Choose the pencil icon to edit. Start by selecting your registration type. Not required means no registration button will appear. Recommended or required displays a registration button, and you can set a close date. Admin only allows only admins to register participants. Next, choose if the registrant list will be visible to everyone, members only, or hidden. Then, set an event capacity. This also gives you the option to add a waitlist if the event fills up. To prevent duplicates, set Avoid Duplicate Registrations to Yes. For fees, choose No Fee if the event is free, or select a payment option if the event has costs. You can also set up scheduled payments if the event allows installment payments. If you expect your event to reach capacity quickly, enable a waitlist. You can set a limit for waitlisted spots and specify how long each person has to register if a spot opens. And that's it. You've now set up your event's registration and fees.